here's the course syllabus section in Canvas in the PM course. So you'll come up in your home page normally. So you'll see your home page initially. So there are going to be quizzes that are going to be due, and the quizzes, if you were to click on the quiz to take it, there's your quiz page, and you can see they're already set. So let's go ahead and look inside quiz 1 to see what it would look like. And here you can see what the quiz looks like when it comes up. It's a matching quiz where you have two columns, 1 through 10, with statements on the left, and then you have letters on the right, statements on the right. And the idea is to match number 1, the key of aviation's technology for strength, with one of these rows over here, which would be correct. And the key aviation technology for strength is structures, which you would get after today's lecture. And so you see the correct answer is C. So I have the correct answer shown over here. So this kind of gives you an idea that almost all the quizzes and the exams will look something like this. To some extent, there'll be variations, but the quiz questions are going to stay the same for this week, for this class. And you can see this fill in the blanks right here. The question 1, when it comes up, the answer is going to be C. Let's look. The grade for your group presentation is going to be B, which is 15% of your final course grade. So you can see how you would put those answers in, and then here's your first question. And of course, again, we know that the first one is going to be C, so we'll put C in there. Now that little c would be wrong because it's a capital C, and the way Canvas works, it's got to be, the answer has to be exactly one that was chosen, so it has to be a capital C. And then notice how the system grades you right away, so you'll have feedback at least on this first couple quizzes right away. At the end of the course, this total here will match there'll be 100 points, 100%, and then all of this. But if you want to see kind of how, so you'll see here's week 1, and then week 1 class 1, week 1 class 2. We're in week 1 class 1 right now. The reading assignment for each class or for each module are what is written on the view graphs. That's your reading assignment. There is a video, and whenever the video has a URL, as it does here, then what's in that video is testable. Now, if you come to class or you watch a recorded video, I will tell you what was important in this video. This video is just a few minutes long. You cannot watch it in a PDF file, but you can watch it if you go to that. Of course, if you come to class, I will skip a bunch of these files, and the ones that I skipped, of course, are not going to be tested. I won't write test questions off the ones that I skip over. So, for example, I might skip this view graph about the data on the pilots. I'll just say, oh, here's some data that you can look at to see how dangerous it was, and I'll go on to the next view graph. That is going to end the introduction to